I have a lot of trash right now from cooking all these recipes.
This isn't trash though?
Nope, this is not trash. These are breakfast potatoes. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Let me show you how to make the perfect breakfast potato to serve to your family. Let's get into it. Every breakfast potato needs some veggies in it, in my opinion. So we'll chop up some onion and some bell peppers. You can use any color you want. Then when it comes to the potato, I love using these Little Potato Company duos, the red and the white potatoes. They cook nice and fast, and to make them even quicker, I like to chop them nice and small. Now on to the Blackstone with a little bit of oil down. We'll add those diced up potatoes, give them a toss, let them start to cook. Then we'll drop down some butter and all of our onions and peppers, give them another toss. Then we're seasoning with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika and parsley, salt and pepper. That is all my breakfast potatoes need. We'll cover these with a dome, let them hang out, check them every few minutes, giving them another toss. You can check them for doneness with a toothpick or a knife. In the meantime, I'm gonna throw down some Wright's bacon and some eggs just to make my breakfast complete. Once these potatoes are done, it's time to plate up our breakfast and get our day started. Okay, now it's time to eat breakfast. Ethan, I don't know about you, but when it comes to breakfast potatoes, I have to have ketchup on mine. Do you mind if I add a little?
I don't.
I love ketchup on my potatoes. Let me know down below if you are a ketchup fan on your breakfast potatoes. I know I am.
This ketchup could use this a little faster.
No, this is not CJ show, just ketchup. We don't need to, no.
Ketchup is pretty good.
That's perfect. Oh gosh. These, for me, in my home, are the perfect breakfast potato. Whether you like them shredded or tater tots or I don't even know, hash browns, what else is there? This is the one that's the winner in my home. You guys take them, make them, post a picture. Let me know if your family enjoys these just as much as I do. Put a little dippy, drippy, sexy egg over those potatoes. I promise you, you're gonna love them. I'm going for the yolk, Ethan. I need that yolk. Look, on my potato, a little ketchup. This is heaven. Perfect way to start the day.